When I open my space game project now, I should see that the spaceship sits nicely on top of the buttons as I wanted, or behind the buttons, whichever way you choose. And I'm going to bring it right over here to the edge. In fact, you could even take it slightly off the screen, that's absolutely fine. When I press play now, it begins immediately. So in fact, I want to build in some sort of pause because it's kind of starting a little bit too early for me. So what I am going to do here is now hit the code button at the top again. Make sure I'm clicked on my spaceship. And in with all the other code, I'm going to build a new stack which says on start, hide. I'm going to make it wait for 5 seconds and then show. That will mean that nothing happens for the first 5 seconds. 4, 5. But as you saw, the ship began in the middle because it is in fact already moving across the screen even though it's invisible. So what we're going to have to do is actually build in a wait here within the movement code. So on start, wait for 5 seconds before you begin doing anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the ship begins from there. The reason that I built in a wait is because I actually want the ship to announce a message to us at the very start. And we can do this through a feature called saying or talking. So on start, I want the ship to say, and I don't want it to say hello. So I'm going to click on the word hello. And I'm going to say, can you make it safely to the base? Now it says here it's only going to say that for 2 seconds. I am in fact going to make sure that says it for 4 seconds. And in here it says bottom message box. I'm going to change that to center message box. Make sure it's connected to the start. And now when I press play, that will happen for 4 seconds and then the ship will begin.